everybody. Welcome to Vendor Talk. I'm Kiri Lugo. I'm your host. I am here with a wonderful makeup artist. Them too. Yeah. We're not just saying this. We have the whole shebang with us today, and so we're going to break that down.
Welcome to The Toast, your newscast for all of your wedding needs. I'm your host, Aunt Rochelle. Here comes the bride, all dressed in, oh my gosh. Here are a few tips and tricks to plan your big day without going under.
Midweek weddings are a thing. And like our fingerprints, no two loves are the same. Blended families are a common sight these days. Discuss what each of you want and the wedding you want and what you can afford. Thank you for watching The Toast, your newscast for all of your wedding needs.
Welcome back to Master the Meal. I'm Chef CJ. Today, we're gonna take an old favorite. We have a special guest today, Chef Talisa. So Chef C.
Congratulations, Ms. Blondell, on winning the Affinity My Dreams wedding.
Thank you so much.
I'm so excited for you, and I'm so excited to be part of your journey. And I'm just so happy that you're going to become a sweet romance bride with us. And
I'm super excited.
You can tie in, like, if you want it like a certain color, you can throw little pops of it here and there.
You have an idea of how many people you're expecting?
The max.
The max?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm Rachel, and this is Dressed Up. We're gonna give you what's in, what's out, what's popular and unpopular, and how to find the perfect dress for your big day. Let's get into everything that you need to complete your bridal look.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Covenant Cuisines. I'm your host, Chef Ken. So you're gonna take our mint leaves and you just wanna pick the leaves off. So we're gonna put all this together to make one beautiful, sexy dish that you both can enjoy. How does that sound?
brides, it's Angie again, the Bridal Boss. My show, Bridal Boss, will teach you how to negotiate deals with your wedding vendors for your special day. I got to dress up in some fun wedding dresses. Such an awesome hair and makeup artist.
Just because I kind of wanted to give somebody an experience with their events, with their weddings, and I think flowers are a great thing. They don't last forever.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Like somebody who's starting out, who doesn't know anything about venue, caterer, maybe even some vendors that we didn't even think about. So mark your calendars and tell a bride.
Today's style shoot is very different and unique, and I'm so excited for y'all to see them. And you're gonna see so many different backdrops and stations. There's a lot of inspiration. Like, this is the most romantic looking wedding I have ever done, and now I'm just kind of like obsessed with the look.
Yes.
You have opportunities to see some different ideas and ways that you can create your dream wedding. Join us and come inside and see what we have created.
She left Sam for a year and then she came back and we would see each other at parties. So I enjoy that you want to be around your family. I respect that. I mean, I'm a family guy, so I don't know.
Having our hands open like this, like, y'all give us the wisdom, like we want it. Like, tell us what works, what works for you, what didn't. I could be thinking the worst when it's, it could be really small. So I just have to pray.
We can either choose to make this work and be good to each other, that we want to come home to each other. I can't wait. I'm rolling in the driveway on 2 wheels because I can't wait to get in here and see you. It's got to be something that you both want together.
So I didn't have that expectation, like, it's going to be roses and rainbows and, he's always going to buy flowers for me, and it's Valentine's Day every day.
It's just cherishing the moment you have to spend and, and making the most of the time you have together.
The only way you can have a fight is you have to strip naked and get in bed together, and then you finish the argument. I think that's great.
Just having someone just be there in the most vulnerable part of your life.
Should have got married.
Should have got married.
No. I was sad. I was hoping. I was really. But I
invited at first. I had to make a choice between business and oh, she cute, and so in my mind, my funds was pretty tight.
I wasn't 100% sure. So when I was a kid, I was a drug baby. I was taking to church all the time.
In the back, and we just so happened to meet at the cross section in the sidewalk. And so I was, look at God, Jesus just made a way on the sidewalk.
One day she said, I need to go home. And take it.
Granted. I was about 20 minutes late, and I come.
It's a strange thing, looking at a computer screen and having feelings for somebody that's 2,030 miles away.
She makes me feel like a kid again. I feel weak-kneed when I'm talking to her. Crazy about this girl, just nuts.
young to get married.
I don't know. I think if you feel like you're in love, then why wait? People think 19 is too young to be married.
This is Lacey. She's 19 years old.
This is Brandon. He's also 19. Sometimes it can feel like it's me and him against the world.
Are you sure this is what you want to do? I feel like everybody's against our relationship. You know nobody thinks you should do it.
You think we're too young to get married,
but we don't care.
Imagine having no control over the biggest day of your life, your wedding day.
This could be brutal.
Or worse, that all control has been given to your mother. Or even more outrageous, your mother-in-law.
They will rip you apart.
This is Gina Sole, wedding planner extraordinaire.
I love it, I love it.
She creates stunning weddings for her clients.
I need 500 by Friday.
Her standards are high. And she demands and gets the best for her client's big day. Meet Rhea and Graydon. They're going to have to deal with Gina's little twist.
You have to hand over all control of your wedding to one of your mothers.
Well, that's every girl's dream. How do I give that up?
I can be snotty. I'm a little bit more of a gimmick person. A little bit eccentric, I think.
Imagine having no control over the biggest day of your life, your wedding day.
We'll never get married.
Or worse, that all control has been given to your mother.
She's a total control freak.
Or even more outrageous, your mother-in-law.
The last thing I want to do is to tear our family apart.
I've had enough, Pastor. No more.
This is Gina Sole, wedding planner extraordinaire.
I love it, I love it.
She creates stunning weddings for her clients.
I need 500 by Friday.
Her standards are high, and she demands and gets the best for her client's big day.
New York. It's fast-moving, bright, and brassy. All words you could easily use to describe this woman. Professional wedding planner, Renee Eric.
Anything we make up now, you're going to want to change once you come back.
High-end weddings, expensive hotels, and the best of everything. It was a large, traditional wedding. Afterwards, neither sister remembered much about the day.
Wedding planner Jane Deas-Hinch has been responsible for some of the most extravagant and expensive weddings around. But Rena and Pedram's wedding is going to be Jane's ultimate challenge.
500 guests, 3 wedding ceremonies and a reception, all in one day.
Will Jane be able to pull it off with just 7 days to go? Or will she finally be forced to admit defeat?
Do you know, I can't even do this now. I can't.